Good morning to everyone. I'm Dr. Sumi MS. The name of the course is Object Oriented Programming, and today's lecture topic is Javafx events from Unit 5, Javafx Event Handling Controls and Components. On completion, the students will be able to understand the concepts of events and the different examples of events, and also describe the mechanisms of event handling and the different phases of event handling. Events. A graphic user interface based applications are mostly driven by events. Events are the actions that the user performs and the responses the application generates. An example: button clicks by users, key press on the application, etc. Registered event filters and event handlers within the application receives the event and provides a response to it. JavaFX provides support to handle events through the base class event, which is available in the package javafx.event. Examples of events. Action event. This is widely used to indicate things like when a button is pressed. And the class is action event and the actions are button pressed. Mouse event. This occurs when the mouse is clicked. Class is mouse event and the actions are mouse clicked, mouse pressed, mouse released, mouse moved, mouse entered target, mouse exited target, etc. Drag event. This occurs when the mouse is dragged and the class is drag event and the corresponding actions include drag entered, drag dropped, drag entered target, drag dropped target, drag over. Key event. This indicates that a keystroke has occurred and the class is key event and actions are key pressed, key released and key typed. Window event. The class is window event and the actions are window hiding, window shown, window hidden, window showing. Scroll event. This indicates scrolling by mouse wheel, trackpad, touch screen, etc. And touch event. This indicates a touch screen action. Event handling. Event handling is the mechanism that controls the event and decides what should happen if an event occurs. It has the code which is known as event handler that is executed when an event occurs. Event handling is done by event filters and event handlers. They contain the event handling logic to process a generated event. Every event in JavaFX has the three properties: event source, event target and event type. Event source. It denotes the source of the event, that is the origin which is responsible for creating the event. Event target. The event target denotes the node on which the event is created. It remains unaffected for the generated event. Event target is the instance of any of the class that implements the Java interface event target. Event type. This is the type of event that is being generated. It is basically the instance of event type class. And example: key event class contains key pressed, key released and key typed types. Phases of event handling in JavaFX. Whenever an event is handled, JavaFX undergoes the following phases: target selection, that depends on the particular event type; route construction, event capturing and event bubbling. Target selection depends on the particular event type. Route construction is specified by the event target. Route capturing is the event travels from the stage to the event target, and event bubbling is that event travel back from the target to the stage. Target selection. The first step to process an event is the selection of event target. Event target is the node on which the event is created. Event target is selected based on the type of event. For key events, the target is the node that has key focus. The node where the mouse cursor is located is the target for mouse events. Route construction. Usually an event travels through the event dispatchers in order in the event dispatch chain. An event dispatch chain is created to determine the default route of the event whenever an event is generated. It contains the path from the stage to the node on which the event is generated. Event capturing. In this phase, an event is dispatched by the root node and passes down in the event dispatch chain towards the target node. Event handlers will not be invoked in this phase. If any node in the chain has registered the event filter for the type of event that occurred, then the filter on that node is called. When the filter completes, the event is moved down to the next node in the dispatch chain. If no event filters consumes the event, then the event target receives and processes the generated event. Event bubbling. In this phase, an event returns from the target node to the root node along with event dispatch chain. Event handlers will be invoked in this phase. If any node in the chain has a handler for the generated event, the handler is executed. When the handler completes, the event is bubbled up in the chain. If the handler is not registered for a node, the event is bubbled up for the next node in the root. If no handler in the path consumed the event, the root node consumes the event and completes the processing. Event filters. Event filters provides the way to handle the events generated by the keyboard actions, mouse actions, scroll actions, and many more event sources. They process the events during event capturing phase. A node must register the required event filters to handle the generated event on that node. Handle method. This handle method contains the logic to execute when the event is triggered. Quiz questions on Javafx events. Mention few examples of events with description. State the properties of events in Javafx. Explain the different phases of event handling in Javafx. Thank you.